5 things men do that make women lose respect fast. Fellas, let's be real. She's not mad about nothing. She's exhausted. And here's why. 1. You're scrolling on your phone while she's opening her heart and off listening as if it's background noise. If she has to say, "What did I just say?" you have already failed, and that's gonna be a big problem. 2. Running from real talks, dodging real conversations with jokes, silence, or attitude. That's not strength. That's screaming emotional immaturity. Step up, not step down. 3. Weaponizing incompetence. I don't know how to cook or clean, but you master Call of Duty and crypto. Stop playing dumb. That's not cute. That's laziness. 4. Dropping everything for the boys, but not her. If your friends get the best version of you and she gets what's left, trust me, she notices and she's taking notes. 5. Saying sorry but never changing. Sorry without change is just manipulation. She's not asking for perfect, just effort. Say it, mean it, show it. The truth is, women don't hate men. They just hate being treated like they are disposable. If you care, prove it before she stops caring back.